First of all the first viewers or all the first users that are into using OBS for their recording, you will be confused. Yes, of course, you will be confused, just because when you look at your scale, you see that it's not correctly just like that. So I was very confused, and then I find a way of rescaling it. Do you know that when you are finding it difficult for your screen to cover every length of your screen like this, you realize that there is the down that goes and there is the top also that cuts off. So why don't we look at the very powerful solution to solve this? So I was going on and on. I was thinking that if I should be doing it like this, and I realized that no, it's not going to be helping me. So let's just drag here and drag here. Then we see the side and side, it's blank. So let's click on shift, hold on shift, and then click on that edge and pull. So it's amazing. Just look at this. So I solved this and I realized that oh my god, I was struggling to know this, and I realized that now the simple answer to it is by holding shift key and then clicking on the side bench to pull it. And it's amazing that everything just fits in. It works on every screen resolution. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you like this video, comment, and please subscribe to this channel. This is the right channel for you, whatever that you are looking for when it comes to media, when it comes to social media, when it comes to whatever that it is about tech. Here it is on Wonders Media. Thank you, and see you next time in my next video.